Yeah, hi all. My name is Kishore Nair. I've been working as a project manager in a manufacturing firm. The name of the company is still gone. So my total years of experience is 20 years, which has been spanned across with design, sales, and also right now for the past 10 years I'm working as a project manager. Yeah, it was really great. So I've never been to an IIT before, an IIT campus, so extensively of this sort. So it was really great. So yesterday we came in here and then we roam around the campus. We get to network with people. Morning also there was a very warm welcome and the session was fantastic. It was good. It was really good because I didn't come with any expectation because I didn't have a clue about what is going to happen. So I didn't feel like it started somewhere in the morning. I'm sitting here somewhere, 5:30, but still fully active. Yes, it is. I need to figure that out at this point because I've learned a lot of things. So I need to think over it like how. But the thing is, like, what I understand right now is that I was mostly into the project management portfolio, was aspiring to go into the business development and product management. So there is a lot of information that's gone into the head. So now it's the time to process it and fine tune it and get it to practice.